I'm Justin, CEO of Skysense, and we do AI-based scouting and digital maps for farms. It wasn't until I helped cultivate a 120-acre CBD hemp field that I recognized an opportunity in ag tech. There was a scouting problem of finding unwanted pollination from male plants that required 10 people, and I thought that we could do it better by drone. Turned out to be a lot harder than I expected, but fast forward 3 years and we make the most advanced AI-based drone scouting system I've ever seen, where we can use the highest resolution cameras on the market, fly it crazy low, and do things that no one else is doing to collect the right data at the right time and solve real problems in the field to reduce labor costs and reduce reaction time, prevent mistakes that cause crop loss. We aim to solve the problem of not having enough eyes on your field. So we're making digital maps that change that. And one of the most easy to understand digital maps is weed pressure maps. So we can map weed pressure and weed size down to cotyledon. So you can put your people and your equipment in the right field at the right time. We're commercial, so we already work with a number of very large scale farms, and we use drone systems at scale. We've already run into problems with how long it takes to collect data, so we use the best-in-class drones and the best-in-class cameras. We also run into problems with how many drone pilots we need. So we developed a drone-in-the-box system that's completely self-flying, self-recharging. We can standardize the data collection so that there's no difference based on drone operator. So what you're looking at here is the real-time AI that whatever the drone is looking at, we're detecting objects like people, table, chair, car. We're essentially giving the drone intelligence so it knows what it's looking at, and then we're mapping that information to digital maps so field workers and farm managers can walk right up to problems or be alerted of their presence. You can't manage something you don't measure. So with Skysense, now you can measure the weeds, count the people, GPS track your robots, and learn how to farm more intelligently. So there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Once we realize that, we've streamlined AI development so that it's not such a pain point to be customized for every client. I think that you pretty much have one shot per year to get it right. So I think that you have to do a high level of planning and nimble, fast execution. And you really do have to get it right each season, season after season, just like farmers do.